welcome to Crafty Splash, and today we will be learning how to make gesso for art and craft. Now gesso is very important in case if you want to make a few smooth texture on the base. And to start with, we need a talcum powder, and this is acrylic color and it is white, and you can take Fevicol, any glue. I've taken this one. So let's begin. The proportion of gesso is, I've taken this half cup of talcum powder because it's already a smooth, so it will come out very nicely. Few people also try chalk powder and other stuff, but today I will be telling you how to make gesso with talcum powder. So I am taking this talcum powder and I'll put it here. It is a proportion, it is 20% of talcum powder, 30% of glue, and so I'm just putting this glue here. And 2 spoons of color, and little more because I need not thick one but little watery consistency. Now we'll mix it. If it is little thick, you can always put some water in that. So yes, the gesso is ready for your painting, for your artwork. You can smooth your canvas also, and if you want to do some stuff on any base which require a smoothing of the base, you can use it very well. See, this is the texture. You can mix some water in case if you want little watery stuff for gesso. You see, gesso comes very costly, and it is advisable to really make gesso at home. So please do try making this gesso at home. See you. Bye bye.